Hi guys, we are back for day 2 snack. Did you have a good day yesterday? Yay! All right, so today, did you learn about a man who was blind? Well, what did Jesus do to help him gain his sight? 1, he told the man he was forgiven, right? But 2, what did he mix together and rub in his eyes? Dirt, right? So we're gonna have a little bit of fun kind of making our own, because actually, if you think about it, if you were to go to actually do a dig in Israel, you'd find a lot of sand and soil layered that way and rocks. So we're actually gonna have a little fun with that today. So you need to get out your baggie, out of your box. It's got the pudding cup and the graham crackers, and check out these cool rocks we're gonna look at. Now, so first you're gonna get your stuff out, get it all ready. All right, I got some really good rocks here. Check out, I don't know if you can see these cool rocks. You're gonna be surprised about eating some rocks, okay? All right, so what do we always do first? Wash your hands, very good, wash your hands. And then you might need some help opening this, and that's okay. You can ask one of the adults to help you, or maybe someone sitting next to you. And you're gonna pull the top off. Now, there's some vanilla pudding there. I'm not gonna lie, I like vanilla pudding, so I'm gonna lick it off. Okay, there we go. We don't want any to go to waste. Now here comes the fun part, right? So here you've got your vanilla pudding. You might wanna squish it down just a little. And then you get to crush these graham crackers to make like sand and soil. Yeah, this is cool, I like this. Ooh, that's full. You can crush the other one or save it. And then throw you some rocks in the mix. Doesn't this look like fun? All right, now you get to stir it all up. Yeah, it's a little messy. That's why you want the plate underneath there. I am making a mess, but it's fun. All right, now for the big test. Let's see how she tastes. Oh, that's good. You're gonna be surprised at what the rocks taste like. Wow. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.